Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Pretty special video today. But what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking me out today. But if you're brand new, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me personally, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor. All you got to do is hit that little notification bell down below, and it'll do exactly that. Alright guys, I may seem a little bit hyper today. I got a special video today. Pretty special unboxing today. So, give you a little bit of a backstory of what's going on today. I actually was talking to a New York Yankees pitcher, and we got to talking before the season even begun, blah blah blah, kind of getting close, you know, through DMs, just talking and whatnot. If you want to check him out, his name is Nick Ramirez. Huge shout out to you, Nick. Got a nice surprise for you. Look, I'm sweating up here and I got goosebumps on my arms. Forget about it. Well, Nick hit me up, and well, we were talking about sneakers and you know whatnot. Obviously, he's seen my page. He knows that I'm into shoes. I got a lot of shoes and whatnot. And he came over from, I believe, the San Diego Padres, which I welcomed him. I welcomed him with open arms. You know what I mean? And over here in New York, we take care of our family. So we were discussing, you know, what shoes he liked and blah 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 blah. Just the other day, he hit me up. He asked me if I could get him a pair of shoes, and I said, of course, no problem. He also offered to pay for it, but you know me, like I just said, we take care of our own around here. Guys, don't mind me sweating. I'm upstairs in the attic. It's hot as hell. But I want to get this video out, and I got to get an AC up here ASAP, man, because it is hot. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Let's see what we got for the homeboy. I already hit him up on IG, so he already knows what's in the box. I just wanted to share it with you guys, because this is a milestone for me, man. I've been a Yankee fan since I could remember, you know what I mean? And for me to take care of one of my own, take care of a pitcher on the New York Yankees, this is a dream come true, dude. Honestly. Seriously, man. But here it is. If you're a sneakerhead, you know exactly what shoe this is. But yeah, let's check it out anyway. He really liked the shoe, and I'm like, listen, man, I called a bunch of people to find the shoe for him, and it's the Air Jordan 4 Black Military, or Military Black, whatever you like to call it. But I called around a lot of places, you know, asking for, you know, help. My boys in the community. I hit up Isaiah, I hit up Vinny, I hit up, you know, basically the guys that take care of me. And nobody could, you know, seem to find the shoe. I mean, they found the shoe, but it was from buying from another seller, which, you know, I wasn't too comfortable with. I'd rather, you know, keep, you know, where I cop my sneakers from in the family. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we got them, Nick. They're right here for you, baby. The Air Jordan 4 Black Military Black, whatever you want to call it. But also, guys, too, we're going to be hand delivering these to Nick himself. So stay tuned, man. I'm going to leave his Instagram in the description down below. Make sure you check him out. Please don't mind the sweating. I literally just got out the shower as well. Just got home, worked out, and I'm up here shooting this video. But guys, please make sure you subscribe. We are almost, 309 subscribers away from 7,000 subscribers. That's a milestone for me, man. I know it's small, but it's huge to me. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace. Let's go Yankees.